tell me?
The horse. I want to take a picture.
Wait. Tell me about the horse and the prince.
No.
Please.
I'm going to put my finger in here.
Okay, so what happened next? Did they make it to the mountain?
Not yet.
Where are they?
They're at the party.
At the party?
Yeah.
What party?
Birthday party.
Whose birthday is it?
Jenna's party.
Jenna's party?
Yeah.
And there was a prince on a white horse there?
Yeah, but he didn't right there. He doesn't.
No?
No. He did by two. And the prince was scared.
What was he scared of?
He was scared of you.
Oh, no. But I'm a nice kitty cat.
Yeah, and you did turn into a bat.
Into a bat?
Yeah.
That would be scary.
Yeah.
Is the prince okay?
Yeah. And you did turn back into Easter.
Oh, good. So was the prince riding to Snowy Mountain?
Yeah, but he did ride to Mommy, and he was scared again.
He was scared again?
Yeah.
What was he scared of this time?
It's mine.
What was he scared of this time?
He was scared of the lion.
The lion?
Yeah.
Boy, that's a scary lion.
Yeah. What?
All right, say good night. Good night. Good night.
But I still want to talk to you. It's mine.